Okay guys, so let's start. So if you cannot see my streaming, can someone restream? Thank you, thank you. Okay. This is this is a project. This is a standard BR project for you guys to work on. So the first rule in working on every project, on each type of project is to check the banner. Always read, always check the banner. So read what is indicated, read for the rules, make sure you understand what is uh, said on the banner. Okay? So this is a standard repair project. Do not cut for residential. Draw multi-layer for big buildings. Ignore ambiguous cases and don't miss any neighboring buildings. Okay? So the rules are quite simple. It is very straightforward. The first rule is always check your task area. Make sure to draw only inside of your task area. Last project, I've saw people who are labeling even though that is their target is outside of this their task area, which is supposed to be wrong. Okay, this is your task area only. So this big box and then the green mask. So everything that is inside the green mask, you need to capture but you need to ignore all buildings that is outside of your grid. Okay? So there were people who are capturing buildings outside of their task area. So which is wrong. And then we have a rule called grid rules. Yes, I just said it's Styrex. Okay, so this rule are very straightforward. All building that is touching the uh, left border, top border, you do not need to capture for them. But if it touches the bottom and then the right area, you can capture for them. This is a very straightforward photo of our rules. Okay, but there are exceptions. Okay, there are exceptions. For example, like this one. So even though that it's touching the right area at the left uh, boundary of our task area, this boundary, see, it touches the left boundary. So if we follow the standard rules, it says we do not need to capture for this one. But since this is system drawn, the AI captured it, then you can ignore. Okay? For those buildings that are captured by the AI, even though it touches the grid, no, the top and the left area, you can ignore for them as long that it is drawn by the AI and it is correct. Okay? But for those for example, this is a missing building, then you can ignore. But if it is drawn, defaultly drawn by the AI, you can ignore. Okay? So, those are the exceptions. Okay? Missing buildings that is drawn by the AI. Okay? Next is do not cut for residential buildings. So, again, I think you are familiar with residential buildings since you have passed the basic BR training. So, all those residentials, you do not need to cut for them. Okay? So, let's check. Guys, and take note, please follow our labeling pattern in drawing, okay? Follow this pattern. So, in that way, you can lessen or avoid missed buildings, okay? So, because if you start randomly, you might miss a grid or so. So, it's better to follow a pattern like this one so that you can avoid missed buildings, okay? So, again, this is a standard rule, a standard building repair. So, you can ignore for this one, those buildings that are grouped by the AI. You can ignore for them. So, round, you need to fix. Guys, as much as possible, please use the repair tool. So, who can tell me the repair tool? What's the default key for the repair tool?
Z.
Z. And then X. Okay. Very good. So, the most common tool that we will use, yes, thank you. The most common tool that we will use on the building repair, guys, please mute your mic. Ground. Always delete fake buildings. Okay? Buildings, delete. So if you identify it as a fake building, it might be a car, it might be a rock, it might be a tree. You need to delete for them. This one, I'm not sure if these are buildings or not. So you can just ignore for them. But this one, I'm sure that it's not a building. So you just delete for them. Okay? Let's continue. Fake ground, delete. So actually, the results of the AI is quite good. Okay? So just few grounds. For example, this one, ground, exclude, cut, and then you can just submit for this one. Too small. If you get a error like this one, too small, you can just delete for them. Too small. Excuse me. Kickback. So for this kickback, this is caused by this pointy area. So you repair tool to remove the pointy area, and then you can just submit. Next. So again, follow the pattern. I think this is not a building. Delete. Read the rules. Ignore. So if you see a wall, a side wall, guys, you need to draw the side wall. Okay. So for this one, this is good enough. So for those buildings that have walls, even though they don't have side walls, if the side walls are not clear, you can ignore for them. For example, like this one. See, the side walls are not clear enough for you to capture. But since the AI drawn it as a 3D building, you can ignore for them. But let's say for some reason the AI draw it like this. So this is very wrong. Okay? So you can just select Control Q to remove the wall. So the hotkey to remove the wall is Control plus Q to reset the wall slash 3D. Okay? So that's the fastest way for you to reset the 3D. Again, for example, if the 3D was drawn wrong for some reason, Control Q to reset the wall. And then you can just, this is good enough. Okay? So let's continue. So trucks, containers, you do not need to capture for them. Building, I think this is a fake building, delete. And then you can just submit. Too small, delete, submit. Next. So again, follow the pattern, check the task area. Ground, delete. Ground, okay? For this one, you need to ungroup to delete the ground because if you just delete the ground, excuse me, the whole building will be deleted. So again, ungroup, press 5 to ungroup, delete, and then you need to regroup again. Okay, so grouping wrong. Okay. Side walls. See? These are visible walls. Drag. And we do not need to capture for tents, okay? Let's continue. So again, the task is quite simple. It's quite easy, no? No, you can ignore this one. This one, this is considered as a big building. So for big buildings, you need to draw it as multi-layer. So cut also, drag the wall, and then group. So it's quite easy. Same as your training, okay? Down, delete, submit. Too small. You can use two IDs at the same time, okay? Next, check task area. So there are times that the task has no building, so you can just submit for them. This one, I don't think this is a building. Delete. Excuse me. Continue. So this one, this is a non-buildings. Non-buildings. This one I'm not sure. But since this is drawn by the AI, you can ignore for this one. Delete. Ground. Okay. So how to identify if it is a ground or a building? You can guys, you can compare it with you can check the shadow. So if it has a shadow, it means it is elevated or it has height. So it can be a building. This one, it doesn't have a shadow anymore. So it might be just the base of the building or a demolished building. So we can delete for this one. Submit. So let's check the comments. Oh, ma'am, this is not a recorded training. I'm sorry. But just pay attention on the training. The rules are quite simple. The rules are quite very straightforward for you guys to understand. Let's continue. No buildings, like I said earlier, there are maps that doesn't have buildings on them. For example, like this one, you can just uh, submit, check. So for this one, it is grouped by the AI. You can just ignore for this one. So again, ignore this one since it is drawn by the AI. Ground, ground. Guys, you need to exclude grounds, okay? So even though it looks like this is part of the building, but it is just a wall, okay? Or a fence. Might be a fence. We need to exclude the ground. You can use X, you can use Z, whichever you want, as long as it gets the job done. Okay? So ground, delete, delete, pick building. So ungroup, delete, sorry, delete, fake building. Fake buildings, delete. This one. This might be a building, I'm not sure. Ground, fake building. Hmm. Ground. I can say this is a ground. If you compare the surface, see? So ground. It's very similar. Similar material. Wall. Delete fake buildings and this is good enough to submit. Strong. So ungroup. Small area, too small, delete, submit. Kickback. Okay. So for this kickback, I suggest, especially this one, this is very hard to fix. Okay, this is very hard to fix. So just ungroup, 5, delete, and then it's better to redraw. Do not connect, or you can use H. I'm not sure. So H, yeah. Use H. You can use Z first to straighten. Use H to connect. So this is same as your training, and then this is good enough to submit. Okay? No. Guys, let's make this clear, okay? So, as long that you are not moving the tasks, okay, you are not editing, you are not doing anything on the software, the time will not, yes, the time on the software will run, okay? The time on the task will run, but it will not register on our system. That is why some people are asking why let's say they work for 8 hours. But the only registered work time is the one that you are actually actively working on. The one you are moving your mouse, editing on the software. But as long that you are not doing anything on the software, you are just browsing on browsing on Facebook, YouTube, etc. The clock will not run on our system, only on the task. Okay, so it will not register on the system. Copy? You guys understand? So, do not cut for residential buildings. So these are residential buildings. So for example, it is drawn like this one. Okay? So you do
Ano
not
sila?
need to,
Ayun.
guys, pamute ng mic. You do not need to cut for it and then group, okay? But since this is drawn by the AI, then it is good enough to submit. But you do not need to cut and then group it. Do not waste your time on this cut and group, okay? If it is drawn by the AI, then it is acceptable. But you are not required again to cut and then group. Okay, for this one, we need to ungroup. Okay, why did I ungroup? So guys, check, always check the parcel. So I think that it is included in your training, no? Uh, by property, you need to group it by property. If it is group, you need to group it by property or draw it by property. Okay? So let's continue. So this can be ignored even though it has no roof, but it has walls. So this is good enough. Fake building, delete. Fake building, round, delete, delete. Fake building. This one you need to delete. So even though it has walls, no, but I can say this is just a wall. Okay? So let's just delete. Same, I think this is just a wall, a property with a wall. So you cannot capture this as a building. Submit. Too small. Or too small, just delete. Submit. Another example. No building. Submit. Questions. Yung pag-group ba yung merge? No, 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 no. Grouping and merging. Yeah, sorry. No, no, if it is related, merging, you need to merge the building into one. Okay? So for example, so let's look for an example. Okay? So this one is I consider to be an ambiguous case. So check number 4. Ambiguous cases, meaning you are not sure if it is a building or not. So for this example, you can just ignore for this one. Actually, I'm not sure if this is a building or not. Since the image is very blur, you can ignore for this one, okay? Like building, so let's look for an example, okay? So delete wall. Okay, so just ignore. Submit. Too small. So let's look for an example. You only guys apply grouping if yes, grouping and merging is two different things. Okay, so I think it is explained on your training. Okay, so merging, you combine build two buildings into one. Okay, so delete fake building. So let's look for an example. Okay, for a while, guys, while I'm looking for an example. Fake. Okay, let's just make an example. Okay. So imagine this is a big building. Okay, imagine this is a big building and this is a layer. So for the big buildings, we need to group them using 4. So meaning it is considered as one building with different layers. That is the purpose of the grouping. Every layer you need to cut and then group. The merging, you need to combine them or to merge them into one building using V. Okay? So those are two very different things. Okay? So we only apply grouping for those related buildings. So, but our rules are supposed to be we do not need to group for residential. For example, this is a residential. But the AI, he tends to draw. Okay, this is a good example. So actually, this is considered as a residential building. So the AI tends to draw it as a multi-layer. Okay? It cuts and groups. So this one, you can just ignore for this one. Since this is AI generated, you do not need to merge for this one. Okay? But for some reason, the AI draw it like this. You are not required to cut and then group since this is a residential building. Okay? Do not cut for residential buildings. So that is the rule. But you do not need also to merge to follow our standard rules because it will take you too much time. Okay? So the missing is the wall. So let's finish this task first. Merge big buildings. Okay, so let's fix this one. Ground, delete. Ground. So you do not need to group for this one, okay? Ground. I think this is a ground area. So select, delete. Ground. Walls. Okay, again, do not ignore your side walls. Drag to its proper footprint. So I'm not sure if this is a ground or not. You can ignore. Take building, delete, delete, delete. Ground, delete. So we need to ungroup. So these are two different parcels. Okay, again, you need to capture it by parcel or by by fence. Excuse me. Miss building. Okay. So this is the first time I've seen a miss building. Same. Ground. Miss building. Delete. Ungroup. Different parcel. See, this is a wall or a fence. So you need to ungroup. Submit. Ay, miss building. So check for the errors. Click back. Again, spike. This weird spike you need to remove. Ungroup. 5. Let's just use Z. Click back. Spike. Z. Too small. So delete for too small. Control T to check topology. Grouping wrong. Delete. Submit. Click back. For this one, you can just merge. Okay? And then remove the do what you think is the fastest way to fix the building. So I think it's better to merge and then just to remove the dot using 2. And then this is good enough to submit. So again, we do not need to cut residential buildings or to group residential buildings, okay? Round. Okay, so questions. Another streaming, please. Oh, isang streaming pa, please. Who can stream? Okay, recorded. Meron pa isa pwede mag-stream? Yes, ma'am, for BR passers. So last example tayo guys para makapag-start na tayo, no? So supposed to be, this is supposed to be a quick training lang para sa inyo. Wait lang guys, wait lang, wait lang. Ano exam lang? Guys, for a while guys, ha? For a while. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm sorry. Let's start. Let's continue. Guys, mute your mic. Then Ivan, mute your mic. Who else? Guys, please mute your mic. Okay, so let's finish these two maps and then I will open the tab for you guys to work. Okay? So you guys can start working. So again, if you want to rest, switch to M. Let's continue. So again, I suggest use two IDs only. Okay? So let's start. Follow the pattern. Fake building, fake buildings, fake building. And this one, I'm not sure. So ignore ambiguous. Fake buildings. So there are a lot of fake buildings. So this is a big building. So this is drawn correctly. You can ignore for this one. Fake building. Delete fake building. So again, exceptions on our grid rules. System drawn. I think this is wrong. Okay? So this should be one building. Excuse me. This is wrong. Okay? So we have a huge chunk missing. So ungroup, we repair using Z. And then cut this area. And then lastly, since this is a big building, this is the one that we should be grouping. Okay? We only group for big buildings. This is good enough, good enough. Fake, ground. Ungroup first, delete, and then you can just merge this one. So miss building, miss part, capture. Ground. Fake buildings. Okay, so this is good missing buildings. So this is good enough to submit. Guys, please work fast. Do not spend too much time on one task. Okay? So the more tasks you submit, the better. Okay? For kickback, let's check. Z, just use Z tool to remove these weird spikes. Too small, delete. Submit. Kickback. Okay. So for this kickback, I think some of you will have a hard time fixing this one. So I suggest just ungroup, delete, and then just drag the layer. And then you need to regroup again. Fast. Guys, mute your mic. Mute ng mic, guys. Delete, fake buildings. Wall, capture. And this is good enough to submit.
Order for
Guys, pa-mute ng mic. Ba naman yan? Ako sino yung naka-on yung mic. Okay guys, questions? For the BM, I said no attendance ano. For the BM guys, I will confirm with Sir Paul, okay? I'll update you later. For I will open the tab again for those people who have passed their training before after December 1st. Okay, so if you pass around November, then I'm sorry, I cannot allow you to work on this tab anymore. We have to work on our available projects. So I think there are still around 3 tabs for you guys to work on the site. Always check always check with your respective group chats. Okay, all updates will be announced on your group chats. So please pay attention on the updates on your group chats, respective group chats. The tab number is 4808. Guys, it is still not open, ha? The tab is still not open. Baka hanapin nyo na naman. Mag-ask naman kayo na i-open yung tab. Hindi pa open yung tab. Okay? So guys, thank you. For a while, give me 10 minutes and I will load you up so you can start working. Okay? Copy?